create leverage as an insurance agent, how to make more money while working less. This is what we're going to get into in today's tutorial. So let's get straight into the intro. As an advisor or insurance agent, you should definitely consider and position yourself as a business owner, not a worker. So the whole purpose of being a business owner is to create leverage so that you can help more people with your product and service, giving more value and therefore getting more money for it. The same exact principle applies when you're a financial advisor. If you don't know me yet, my name is Pavel Boissonneau. I'm a founder at Fondaco Media and a growth partner to over 600 insurance agents in the last 2 years. I also am a multi-seven-figure agency owner. So if you are looking to scale your business fast as an insurance agent and you want to do it in the most efficient way, go ahead and book a call with me using the link right in the description of this video. Okay, so here are a few insurance agent case studies from the last 30 days. So these are clients that joined our growth partnership in the last 30 days. So first, we got Samuel. He was doing about 20 to 40K per month, and we scaled him up to 100K per month in his first 30 days. So he's now looking at a $1.2 million run rate as a single insurance agent with no team. Okay, here we have Sylvain. So he was averaging about 1.25 recruits per month in the last 5 years. And now within 30 days, we scale him to 5 new recruits per month and a 600K per year run rate. Okay, here we have Gab, another example. We added an extra 11K per month, so an extra 130K a year run rate in only 30 days. Same for Jan here. We added an extra 100K per year run rate in 30 days. And same for Elizabeth. We added an extra 9.2K per month, so 110K per year run rate in only 30 days of working with us. And of course, that stuff compounds. So results are going to get better and better. So what I want to get to here is that you don't need to have any self-imposed limiting beliefs as a financial advisor. You don't have to do everything on your own. You know, if you say, I'm not big enough or I'm not good enough to do this yet, well, you should definitely fix your mindset. So if you're thinking I should reduce my operational costs, reduce my marketing costs, the only way to make more money is if I work more, or that's the funniest one, my job is hard. Your job is not hard as a financial advisor. So if you're thinking like this, you definitely have limiting beliefs and we need to fix them. Okay, so how can you actually create leverage in your business? Well, we're going to get into that. If you do create leverage, you'll be able to have an organization. You'll definitely make more money. You'll work less or the same to make more money. You'll be focusing on the upside instead of limiting the downside. Okay, so lifestyle money is not an issue anymore. Once you've got these 3 things right here, you're not going to be worried about, hey, I don't have enough money to fulfill my lifestyle. Therefore, you're going to focus more on the upside. Okay. And most importantly, you're going to feel excited about the growth and future of your business. So this is literally my job. I mean, I've helped already over 600 agents that have paid my company thousands of dollars to figure this out. And I'm about to tell it for you 100% for free. So all I ask in return is that you subscribe to our channel where I post a video like this every single day. And if you are a financial advisor and you're ready to scale fast, you can book a call with me using this link or the link in the description of this video. Okay, so here's how it goes. The lowest leverage that you can have is to be a single agent. So if you are a single agent and you don't have any leverage points, here are the few things that you have to do to get out of that situation and to the next level leverage point. So first thing, you're going to have to absolutely pack your calendar, minimum 15 to 20 meetings per week with new clients. Okay. So you're going to need an automated pre-qualified lead system in-house because funds are tight. So if you're buying leads from lead vendors, you're never going to make it out of there. That's why some people stay stuck here for 10 years or more. Some never get out of it. So here you're going to be focusing on making and saving money. You need to create cash to step up to the second leverage point. So here you're going to be a single agent with help, meaning you're probably going to have an ISA, an inside sales agent, which is going to pre-qualify your meetings for you. And you can even go ahead and add on eventually an assistant for the admin and compliance stuff. So now you can take 20 to 25 meetings per week, no more than that, because you still need to manage these people here and train them and make sure they're good. You're still going to be focusing on making money and saving money. That's how you get out of the hole, guys. So after that, you can step up to the third leverage point, which is to be a senior agent with help. So you're going to bring on a second agent that's actually good, but does not have auto bookings in his calendar right now. And you're going to charge a percentage of commission to that agent. So you're going to book yourself only 15 meetings now. So you're already working less, right? And that agent number 2 is going to take 20 meetings. And you're going to make a percentage of commission off of whatever deals he closed. So you're going to be focused on recruiting and training your team here, because right now you have 3 team members: an agent, a caller, and an assistant, right? After that, you're going to go into the fourth leverage point, which is going to be sales director. So you're going to have a team of 2 to 5 agents that are taking 15 to 20 meetings a week, right? And these meetings are going to be all auto booked by your system. That's why it's extremely important to have an in-house system from the beginning, okay? Once you manage that for a few months, maybe a year, then you're going to go into the agency owner. So you're going to have 1 or more sales director. You're going to do absolutely 0 personal production, because you will be 100% focused on helping sales director in their roles. So meaning you're going to have a few sales director that are managing 2 to 5 agents that are taking 15 to 20 meetings a week. So at first, maybe you're, as a sales director, you're going to hire an executive assistant, which is eventually going to become another sales director. So that executive assistant, of course, would be a financial advisor, maybe that you bring on from your team. And that transition is usually pretty smooth because you already know how to manage and motivate people. And I would recommend that, you get guys or girls that are already used to managing people, and you're going to give them proper training also. Okay. So as an agency owner, you will be focused on vision and leadership. Now, that means that your main work is going to be to think with your head on what's next and how can I lead my people into success. So here, you're definitely going to be making more money than here, and you're going to be working less, right? So all of that because you've created these leverage points that are going to allow you to actually help more people, give more value, and get more money for it. So it's as easy as that. Of course, you could definitely, go ahead and implement this on your own. It's going to take a few years, and most people never succeed. Or you could work with me. So if you choose to work with me, we will give you a more in-depth framework and accountability and coaching, and we'll actually directly implement this framework in your business to help you grow faster. So if you value your time and you want to succeed, click the link here and book a call with me, okay? If you're not ready yet, it's totally okay. Go ahead and follow our YouTube channel for more free value like this every single day. You have a great day, everyone. See you in the next video tomorrow.